My name is Amandeep Dubey. I work as a Chief Learning Strategist for my company. It's called LearnTech. Now, why should you be listening to me on customer service? I'll tell you my little experience. I've been running my business for now 7 years. And we are in a consulting space. We are going to do this by leveraging combined intelligence. I believe in the room, you guys within yourselves have all the experience that you need. You have all the insights that you need to share along, crystallize those insights and make them into workable behaviors. You have within you all the intelligence that is required for you to push yourself forward and go to the next league of customer service. And within you, within the group, I feel you have all the pride and belief that you can make the difference to your customers and to your team. When I started out in my business, I was a product developer. I wanted to create products and go out and sell into the market. And I was creating a lot of these products based on how I felt my customers' challenges are. And what happened actually for me was that I spent a lot of time in developing these products, imagining what the challenges would be and how important these challenges are for my customer. I created products, I went out to the market, and I pretty much failed. And when I would go to the customer and tell them that, hey, this is what I have created and you need this and this is going to solve your life like this and that, there aren't too many takers for it. So in the initial few years of my career as an entrepreneur, I pretty much learned a very important lesson, which was to not work from the mind but to work from the ear. So what I learned and I started to do was that in place of doing something which I felt they needed, I concentrated my 100% on what they asked. Verbatim. Exactly how they are saying. Okay, we are going to get into teams now. What I want is there are 4 band 35s in this group. We've got Ashi, Tushar, Vivek, and Isha. So we'll have their teams come in each corner and then we will start this together. That are similar to the situation in the case study or reflect challenges faced by the group. Now guys, this is where it gets real. I know what you have read, it would be 60-70% quite out there. I mean, it must be very real for you, stuff like this happening. So what we want to do is we want to also bring from your experience such interactions you've had with the customer where you were honest in what you wanted to do, but something did not go right and it escalated or the customer was left feeling dissatisfied. Now in the end, what I would like team to present is, in your opinion as a team, which specific skills today are most important for the group as a whole? Now guys, this is where I would like you to think not just for yourself and your specific customer, but think of the BSNI analytic groups as a whole and see which specific skills also may be reflected in the case study are the ones which are pulling us back to do a more effective job and deliver superior customer service.
You may not realize that there is a problem brewing, but what the important thing is, be the ears for your leaders. You can tell the leader that this is what's happening, I wrote for this guy, this person hasn't responded in 3 days. If we don't get to know as leaders, then there's no way we can help you. If you just wait for something to go wrong and then the leader has to step in, and if the leader doesn't step in, he's a bad leader. Well, maybe the leader will step in once, twice, but after a while it becomes, why couldn't you have told me 3 days ago? When I could have really fixed the problem, now I have to redo the whole thing. So that's very important, guys.
Now, another piece that we felt as a group we need to work on is the work management. By work management is what happens once the task comes in. I'm sure all of this is in place, but just want to reiterate what happens in a flowchart when the task comes in. How much time is there for the task to get reviewed by an analyst, identify requirements, identify what is already with you, what you need from the customer and all of those things. What happens to the task after that? Is there a process like that already in place? You have an SLA of all the tasks, but is there a generic process which qualifies work?